Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampin' I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I wanted to feature the Happy Forest Friends suite. We've got the Happier Than Happy stamp set, which is geared towards baby, but it also has thank you. You could do it as a home welcome. You can put I've used this bear and put a football in his hands. You can have them holding a balloon. Could be used for a lot of different things. And then it comes with the Happy Forest dies, which cuts out all the images here. Plus we've got some extra pieces. Super cute. And then let me show you this designer paper. I love this. This is all I have left of this pattern. But it's a full sheet of like these trees. They continue all the way up, and then we have a little ground at the bottom here. Some nice green on green pattern here. This one is super cute. Then we just have little kind of V's. We've got this one with the with branches and acorns and stumps. And then I love this mushroom pattern with this nice coral on the back. And we have this one, which is kind of cut out into scenes, so you can break this up and use it on your card fronts. And we have some saffron on the back, and then this beautiful leaf and acorn pattern right here with these funky green swirls on the back. So gorgeous, fun paper. And we are going to make a gift card holder for a new baby today. So I am bringing in some Sahara Sand cardstock. This is 4 1/4 by 11, and I've just scored it in half. So we're going to fold it right here, scored it at 5 1/2. And then I want to cut a little notch right here. So what I'm doing is making a pocket. You can use a circle die or a punch, whatever you have. I'm just going to bring in a 1-inch circle punch. Now this is retired, but I know most of you probably have a little punch or a circle die we can use. So I'm just going to punch out a half circle right there. And then we're going to do a little pocket inside to hold our gift card, and then that will pull out from there. So we'll get to that in a minute. So let's make our pocket. I've got some tear and tape here. You could also use Tombow liquid glue if you want, but I'm just going to put a piece right on the edge here, and then one right here. This makes it nice and strong. Okay. Let's get that tear and tape off. So when you're making your pocket, doing your measurements, you want to make sure that your inside piece is going to fit in between your adhesive, and this should fit just fine. Got a little bit hanging over the edge there. Let's tuck that in. Okay, give that a good press. And let's decorate the front, then we'll do the inside. So I have a piece of Calypso coral, and then I've cut a little piece of the mushroom paper. So this is 3 by 4, and then the Calypso coral is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. So let's glue these together. Oh, I'm out of control with my glue here. All right. I'm going to use, now we have the ribbon that goes with it, and for some reason I am out of the Sahara Sand ribbon, so I'm just going to use a little bit of linen thread. I wrap this around twice and tie it in a bow. And I didn't get that very tight, but we can fix that. Tails, and we're going to grab a little tape. So if you tie your bows and your strings are kind of loose like that, just take a little bit of tape. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm trying to get rid of that. It's just garbage. toll-free call. Okay, so I'm going to pull this around and tighten it in the back. All right, that's better. Let me pull that tail down here. Okay. All right, let's glue this to the front of our pocket. Just like that. We'll center it. Hopefully centered. Okay. Now, I've cut a circle from the Stylish Shapes dies. I love these. And we're going to stamp a sentiment using some soft suede. We're going to do happier than happy for you. Okay. Hopefully center this. Perfect. All right, we'll let that dry for a second. And let's do a couple of the little animals. We're going to do a fox using Calypso Coral. All right. Just using some scrap paper for that. And I've got some Sahara sand. We're going to do the owl with Sahara sand. Cute. Okay. So we have dies that will cut out all the little critters, just like this. We'll run it through our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. They're going to come out just like this. All right, so let's go ahead and assemble the front. So I'm just going to put this down right in the center. Make sure my bow's out of the way. I'm going to glue that down because I'm going to pop up our little animals. Grab a couple dimensionals. Okay. I'm going to put the fox down here, and then let's, all right, sometimes I struggle with these. It's okay. All right. And then we're going to have our little owl just kind of sitting on top of our fox. Maybe push these, I'm going to put these down just a little bit. I think they're a little high. Let's see. Bring them down just maybe 1/4 of an inch. I just don't want to cover up the words. Okay, perfect. All right, now I want to bling it up a little bit. So I'm going to use my Rhinestone Basic Jewels, but I'm going to bring in my dark Calypso Coral marker. Oh my goodness, I don't know what's going on. Need to get rid of that. Okay, I'm going to just use this to color a large, medium, and small rhinestone. With my Calypso, my dark blend, we're going to let those dry for a second. And we're going to work on the inside while those are drying. So we have this piece. I'm going to put the measurements on my blog because I can't think of what this is exactly, but I've scored it here. I'll put that score mark too. So we're going to make a pocket. Now, I'm going to take my soft suede and we're going to get this adorable bear inked up with the soft suede. Make sure he looks nice and covered. We're going to put him up close to the top. Not all the way to the top, but close enough. So cute! Look at how cute he is. Oh, what have I done? I've gotten ink on my card. That's okay. I'm going to grab my sand eraser. That's what happens. You get ink on your hands. Sandy Eraser. If you don't have one of these are great. They're from Tombow, and you can get them on Amazon. And it's the Sandy Eraser, and it will, if you have just a light smudge of ink like that, you can use this. And it, what it does really is it just kind of takes off that top layer of paper. Almost got it. We're gonna probably stamp something right there to cover the rest of that up, but it's pretty light, so it's almost gone. I was gonna stamp a little mushroom on there, but I think I'm going to take the owl because it's a little bit bigger. And I'm gonna stamp that owl in Sahara Sand. Let's see. I'm gonna stamp him right here, right on top of my smudges. And then we're gonna stamp, I've got this Hello Baby. Let's do that in coral. And we'll just do Hello Baby right next to it. Cute, that will work. You know, you just gotta adjust. When things happen, you adjust. All right. So this is going to go right, right inside of our pocket here. You can put your gift card inside the pocket, or you can put money, or you don't have to do anything if you don't want. Look at that, and then it's got this nice little holder. You can just pull it out from that notch. Okay, let's grab our gems. I'm gonna put my big one up here. Aren't those cute? I'll put, let's see, I might put my little one, maybe we'll stick it there, we'll see. That's the medium. And then the little one right up there. And get a little bling to it. Isn't that cute? So cute. I know I would enjoy getting this, and this is a great card. You can do several of these, and the best thing about this is it's neutral. It's not necessarily boy, it's not necessarily girl. It could go for either way. So these would be great to have on hand. Let's get our peelings off here. Be great to have on hand to give out anytime. So thanks for stopping by. Make sure to check my blog for measurements and supplies. And I will see you back here on Monday. All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.